Today I will tell you about word train in a simplest form. Kids, are you ready for traveling this train? Yes, this is the engine of your train. Now, chuk 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 chuk. First box. This is smile. S M I L E. Smile. Now you will write next word from E. Now next word is egg. E G G. Egg. Now in this word our last alphabet is G. That's why we will start next word from G. Grass. G R A S S. Grass. Now last alphabet is S. So we will write now next word from S. Yes, sun. S U N. Sun. Last alphabet N. That's why we will write next word from N. Very good. N O S E. Nose. Last alphabet is E. Now next word is yes from E. Elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.